All right, so a different question. It's based on calculus and it is based on kinematics. The question is, G. When does the instantaneous velocity have a maximum or minimum value? Now, before I, solve the problem, let us understand the meaning of the word maxima and minima. Now, those who are preparing for NEET examination or have taken biology must understand some amount of differential calculus. This is essentially 1% of total differential calculus. So whatever expression has been given to you, you take derivative of that expression, put that expression equal to 0 and find the value of x where the expression becomes 0. So you're able to find the zeros of the first differential. Then find the second derivative of the function. In the second derivative, put the value of x you found in the first step. If the double derivative comes out to be greater than 0, then the x you found where the first differential is 0 will give you the minimum value of the function. If the double derivative comes out to be less than 0, then the value of x you found will give you the maximum value of the function. Ignore the minima written. It's wrongly mentioned. It should have been maxima in the second case when the second derivative is less than 0. Thank you.